Did you know that over 70% of fiat on-ramp transactions fail, even after KYC is completed successfully? It's the biggest problem facing crypto onboarding today. To unlock crypto's true potential, fiat to crypto transactions should simply work. Which is why we have aggregated all fiat on-ramps in a single, easy-to-integrate widget and API. With Onramper, when your users buy crypto, there's no guessing which on-ramp is best, as we've built intelligent routing that predicts which on-ramp is best for each individual user in order to increase the success rates of transactions. So you can on-ramp up to 80% more users to your platform. Are you ready for the next level in fiat on-ramping? Next level on-ramp orchestration by Onramper.